It's chilly. It's chilly. Bunny, bunny, bunny. Are you hungry? There you go. There's the little ninja. Good morning. You knowed. I'll take care of you. It's a snow day. Got a little dust in the snow. Uh-oh. Not on camera. Scooching in for a little snuggle. Hi, baby. Oh, he's so soft. You want to open a fortune cookie with me? Let's check our fortune today. We're feeling grumpy. Let's see what we get. Wow. Anyway, it's not that I'm grumpy. I'm not grumpy. I had a weird end of November. Had a weird end of November. I fell and hurt my shoulder, so I took a week off of work. And when I went getting ready to go back to work on Sunday, I was using a butcher knife as a screwdriver, and it slipped, cut my finger really bad. So I took another week off of work. Daughter came down with flu. She had a fever of 103.7. And had the in-laws in town for a couple weeks. And I came down. Then I came down with the flu. So I spent time in bed. And just struggling for motivation. And here I am out here in the snow looking for a waterfall. It's too snowy.